Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Insights with Sujay. I know you guys were hoping for some new videos, and I was being inactive. The reason for being inactive is I was upgrading my studio. So now we have a full fledged studio setup that is just behind me. I know this is very basic, but in the upcoming videos, we'll be enhancing it and making sure that we get a very good audio. And we have Miss Payeshwini Konin with us, who's a professional makeup artist. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi. So, please tell us something about yourself.
Yeah, myself Payashwini, and I am a professional makeup artist. I run my own beauty business, which provides makeup services like for weddings, for all events. And my main focus is on creating natural beauty.
Reading natural beauty.
Yes. Means only face,
Okay.
flawless and long lasting. Base should be flawless and long lasting. It should be minimal look.
Okay. Tell us something about your college days. Where did you pursue your college and how?
I have completed my BA degree at Shanbashweshwara Muktambika PU College. And from those years, I was feeling like I should be different. Everyone will complete their college and they will go to job. They will start their own business. And I chose my career like a makeup artist because I was very interested in that.
So, since college days only, you had a slap A to 7. Did you used to do any makeup on your?
Yeah, on my friends, I usually do makeups for farewells,
Okay. So, you used
dance competitions.
to, was that trick? Yeah. So, okay. So, since your college days only, you were
Yeah.
who was your first customer and what was their review towards you? Like,
My first customer was I got an order of pre-wedding shoot. Okay. At Honnavara. Yeah. That was very nice experience, and it was first experience, but it was very nice.
how much did you earn back when it? Very good college still or very bad repo? Any what your first time?
No. After completion of my degree.
After completion up to the yeah. So in degree you then do
No.
this thing. Yeah.
In those years, it was not like makeup artist.
But then they didn't have so much of
Yeah. Scope like makeup.
and this pre-wedding and seasons now it's not so much compared.
No photo shoots, no makeups, nothing was there at that time when I was completed my degree. After completion of my degree, this all started.
So you thought that I could give a shot towards my passion also, yeah. So like now before and all there were no much, as you have told, no much of this makeup, and people were not so much affordable also towards this pre-weddings and marriages and everything. And then I guess only the one who had much of the money would call for the makeup or something like that. And then I guess at that time also and now also the makeup is costly only, but it is the people who have upgraded themselves to call the makeup artist. So what do you feel that how was the experience of you when you had started your career, and currently how is it going on, like?
Actually, before it was not too much what I was accepting. Expectations was not like that. But nowadays, people are, yeah, makeup should be there for all events. For birthday parties, also they hire makeup artists.
Yeah, oh that
Yeah. So nowadays, it's nice.
become itself a big industry now, makeup artists. And then from the people who maintain just an influencer page to people having their own big studios, the makeup artists, the makeup thing have grown so much widely. And from that, I guess not only the economy but this beauty and cosmetic industry have also grown a lot. So I guess before only premium qualities like Maybelline or any such Lakme, yeah, such brands.
Only Maybelline also, the not Maybelline, Lakme was the first foundation at that time. If we apply Lakme and if I apply Lakme on my friends, oh, this is very nice foundation. Nowadays, it's not like that.
It have become very common. The cosmetic brand they all name. And also, all the people can afford cosmetics behind that.
Not which we will use like foundation. People can't afford.
Yeah, that's what people hire you for.
Yes, they get, and they don't know that how to apply.
Yeah.
And makeup is not easy. How people are thinking. What will be the makeup artist work? People always think like, no, this is very easy work, but it's not like that. Only we know our.
So, what do you apply to the brides and like managers and all?
Yeah, first skin preparation must important. Skin preparation and then next color correctors and skin matching foundations. We should match their skin tones. It's very important.
Okay.
We'll get different shades of foundations. We should take two foundations according to our skin type and we should mix and match. Then we should apply on her. Next, that kajal. Eye makeup is very important.
Oh.
Blending and all. We can play with brush when we are pro in that. If we don't know eye makeup, then nothing.
Nothing in there.
Yeah. Eye makeup is very important.
So after that, you apply foundation.
Yeah, foundation.
There are so many people in the industry. So why do people have to choose Payeshwini and not anyone else?
Always be kind to people. And my work is different. And I want to make, I always do makeup like such minimal looks. I give minimal looks. People like that so much. Skincare is very important nowadays. When we care about ourselves, when after that we do makeup, it will get very flawless look. Skincare means we should moisturize daily, sunscreen. These two important things in skincare. And only we should wash the face 2 times per day. Not more than 2 times. Only 2 times. No, it's very.
They have to constantly.
No, when we frequently wash our face, what it will happen? It will become rough. And if you have oily skin, you still get the oil because of roughness. You are scrubbing and scrubbing on the face. It's not necessary. Only 2 times is enough. Morning and at the night.
Do you think that this what do you call washing your face, or not only washing, but boys don't even do the skincare? Do you have any message for the boy? That I myself don't do this skincare.
But you have eyes.
We wash our face twice a day. That's it.
Yeah. No, everyone should have that habit like washing the face at least 2 times. And once you wash morning, nothing. Everyone will say who should apply that all makeup products. No, nothing much needed. Only moisturize your skin nicely and the sunscreen.
That's it. The morning.
And when you'll apply the sunscreen, don't go immediately outside. After 15-20 minutes, you can.
Okay, so like morning is it only for boys or everyone?
No, everyone, boys and girls.
No, especially boys. I'm assuming that it says wake up, wash your face, and go out. Apply your skincare.
Moisturizer.
Don't wait for you. Don't wait the way does. I'm telling you does. Skip me after this.
No, I don't think nowadays boys are skincaring much.
Is it?
Yes. Because of their girlfriends.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. People are single and they're you. It's my urge to my viewers. I think please go and do your skincare as Payasini have told. Wake up in the morning. Usually you just brush your teeth and go away. Don't go away. Wash your face. Apply sunscreen.
Moisturizer, then next sunscreen.
Yeah, moisturizer and there is sunscreen. And then for some time, after some time, you go on from the second round of tea. Because I know first round you have completed a bomb itself. But I see.
Yeah, when we'll go outside, after some time we'll be back to home.
Yeah.
Afternoon for lunch.
I don't think that they apply sunscreen and then going after gets catch that 15 minutes. After apply. If we go on, then what do you think that the skin will, that dust will stuck on our skin?
No. Actually, suddenly you should know what we should not go outside. After some It should absorb your skin, sunscreen. Then you should walk out.
Now, today I got to know why skincare is not for boys. Because what? Just to go only outside. Yeah, never stay inside. That is the reason I just boys do like skincare. And
No, nowadays I saw many more boys are taking care of themselves. Yes, that like gyms, they will maintain themselves.
gym,
Yeah,
gym you get good skin.
yeah. If you do in daily basis gym, you'll get good skin.
Is that color growing?
Yeah, he's glowing.
Leak to gym every week.
Yeah, then he's glowing. Yeah, he's glowing.
Yeah, see, this to go up gym itself.
Yeah, he will sweat, right? Daily we will sweat means you'll get to.
Oh, okay. So now I have to just to go you behind them now to the gym. Hmm. So like you will be having so many experiences while traveling to your makeup thing outside as of to Hallawar and etc. What was the best wedding you had ever went to? Like full lavish and that'd be very so much fun for you also.
Yes.
Is there any much of that?
Yeah, actually, I have much more privilege meeting people. I have much more done makeups like weddings, each and every makeup photo shoot. I enjoy there much because I will be friendly.
Friendly, yeah.
Yeah, and I will be very kind. I think as an I am not a makeup artist, they are my friends. Will enjoy when we'll be in shoots and all.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, you may see in my page.
Yeah, I've seen it. Small wedding are also there and then some on photo shoots are also shoots.
And recently we have done the Diwali shoots.
So, what is the difference between small functions and large?
The large functions and
No, brides, yeah, you would have seen, like, they'll do all serial actress and their wedding,
yeah. Nowadays what happens, everyone is asking for me, we want only minimal makeup. Minimal makeup. For brides also they will ask, no, we want only our skin tone should match nicely and we want minimal makeup.
so this minimal makeup,
Minimal makeup only we should try nicely in that. We should apply everything. They will think, hey, it's minimal makeup. She will charge only less. But it's not like that. In minimal makeup, we should apply everything.
so like, not as a makeup artist, but as a girl, how do you feel after this financial independence and all? Like,
I am very happy about my financial independence. And I suggest every girl should be independent nowadays. She should not depend on her dad, brother, or husband, or lover. Who
also.
Yeah, some girls depend on.
Yeah.
Yeah, nowadays we are seeing, right? Yeah, he's my boyfriend. I may depend on him.
Give me pocket.
Yeah, yeah. When they will go out, he may pay everything.
Even split.
I don't believe, and I don't like such kind of things. So you should not depend on anyone. Should be always independent.
So, what message do you have to the people who are taking up the makeup art?
If anyone wants to be a makeup artist, they should be passionate about their work. They should love their work,
Not for money.
not for money and not for fame. Success will come. When we will be in hard work, success will come. That's not the secondary. But we should learn day to day life. We should go uh, trendings. We should be in trendings, technologies. In makeups industry, daily will get new things to learn. There will be no same thing. So you should be kind to your profession. It's
So that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to our channel if you're watching it on YouTube, and if you're listening it on Spotify and Apple Podcast. Please don't forget to follow us. Thank you.